If you are building a SaaS app, your pricing page is not just about showing numbers. It's where decisions are made. And here is the truth. A messy, confusing pricing page can kill conversion even if your product is great. In this video, I am going to show you what a solid SaaS pricing page actually looks like. We will go through real-world layout tips, sliders for usage-based pricing, tool tips, FAQs, feature tables, and how to highlight the right plan so it actually gets clicks. And by the end, you will know how to turn your pricing page into one of the most persuasive parts of your website. I have worked with lots of SaaS founders, some bootstrapping, some funded, and no matter how good the app is, if the pricing page is confusing, users bounce. They don't know which plan is right for them. They are unsure about what's included and they just leave. That's why in the most of our SaaS projects, we treat the pricing page almost like a landing page, designed to build trust, guide decision making, and convert. Hey, I'm Mansif, framer and webflow expert, and I run a design and dev agency called webflow. We build SaaS websites that not only look good, but convert better. Let's walk through the real checklist for planning a pricing page that works. The first one, keep the pricing layout simple and clear. Start with the basics. So all plans side by side. Each one should have a clear title like starter, teen, business, or enterprise. Avoid clever names just for the sake of it. Make it instantly obvious who the plan is for. Second, use a monthly and yearly toggle. Let users choose how they want to pay. Add a switch for monthly versus yearly, and if there is a discount or annual billing, show it clearly. Something like save 20% or 2 months free, and add build annually under the price. This clears up a lot of confusion. Third, if pricing is usage based, show it visually. If your pricing depends on things like numbers of users, emails sent, or storage, use a UI slider. As users slide, the pricing updates in the real time. It makes it feel more interactive and helps them understand what they are paying for. Fourth, highlight one plan as the most popular or best value. Most people will land in the middle, so give them a gentle nudge. Use badge like most popular or best for growing teams. You can use color or even a slight glow to draw attention to that plan. Fifth, add a feature table side by side. Below your pricing cards, include a simple table comparing what each plan includes. Checkboxes, dashes, icons, keep it visual. And for features that need extra clarity, add a little tooltip icon. It helps without overwhelming. Sixth, add a competitor comparison table. Visitors are always comparing tools. Even if you don't mention your competitors, they will. So make it easy for them. Show a clean side-by-side comparison of what you offer versus others. No need to bash anyone. Just highlight the features you do better, like onboarding speed, support quality, or pricing flexibility. Seventh, add a trial or guarantee if you offer it. If you have a 14-day free trial, say it loud. If you offer a money-back guarantee, make that clear too. These details reduce hesitation, especially for first-time buyers. Eighth one, add real testimonials near pricing. A short quote or a logo from a real user builds a ton of trust. You don't need 20, just 2 or 3 good ones with photo or company names. Ninth, CTA buttons that feel natural. Instead of generic buttons like submit or buy now, use real language like start free trial, upgrade now, contact sales. Match the intent of the plan. Don't send the enterprise users to sign up form. Send them to a quick demo request instead. 10th, don't forget the FAQ section. Right under the pricing, add a few quick questions and answers. Things like, can I cancel anytime? Can I upgrade later? Or their hidden fees? People have these questions and answering them right on the page keeps them from bouncing. 11th, make it mobile friendly. Double check how everything stacks on mobile. Plan should be scrollable and CTAs easy to tap. Test it with real hands, not just preview screen. 12th, support security and custom options. If certain plans comes with a priority support, say it. If you follow GDPR or offer SOC2 compliance, include that info, especially for B2B. And always add a custom plan or talk to sales option for bigger companies with special needs. Let's see quick checklist recap. Monthly versus yearly toggle, usage slider for dynamic pricing, feature comparison table, best value plan highlight, trial or guarantee visible, clear CTA per plan, testimonials, FAQ below pricing, custom plan option, mobile responsive design. One bonus tip, before going live, test your pricing page with real user. Ask them which plan would you pick, what's confusing here, what feels missing. Sometimes a small tweak like changing the CTA text or reordering features can make a big difference. If you are working on your SaaS page right now, use this video as a reference. You can pause, take notes, or even send it to your designer or dev team. I have also created a pricing page checklist. You can download it for free, links in the description. And if you want help designing or building it in Framer or Webflow, feel free to reach out. Contact link is below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your launch.